The Panasonic Lumix G100 4K mirrorless camera is an excellent choice for content creators, vloggers, and photographers who want a compact yet powerful camera with advanced features. With its micro four thirds interchangeable lens system and included 12 to 32mm lens, this camera provides users with a versatile focal range, ideal for both close-ups and wide-angle shots. The G100's built-in microphone with tracking technology stands out as a key feature, capturing clear audio even as you move, making it a strong choice among mirrorless cameras for video creators who need high-quality audio without extra equipment. Customer satisfaction is a priority with the Lumix G100 due to its user-friendly design and stabilization capabilities. The 5-axis hybrid IS image stabilization ensures smooth video capture, reducing shaky footage when shooting handheld, a great advantage for vloggers and action-focused creators. For added convenience, the camera is lightweight, making it easy to carry around for spontaneous shooting. Users have found that the G100 performs well in various lighting conditions, thanks to its impressive ISO range and 4K video quality. Whether you're a beginner or looking to upgrade, the Lumix G100 offers a balance of quality, functionality, and ease, setting it apart in the mirrorless cameras category. The Canon EOS R100 mirrorless camera, paired with the RFS 1845mm f4.5 6.3 IS STM lens, is an excellent entry point into the world of mirrorless cameras. With its 24.1 megapixel CMOS APS-C sensor, this camera delivers impressive image quality, capturing sharp details and vibrant colors in both photos and 4K video. The lightweight and compact design makes it a convenient choice for photographers on the go, and the RF mount gives users access to Canon's extensive line of RF lenses, expanding creative possibilities for all types of photography, from portraits to landscapes. In terms of customer satisfaction, the Canon EOS R100 excels in usability and functionality, making it accessible for beginners while still offering features that advanced users appreciate. The camera's user-friendly interface and responsive autofocus make it easy to capture high-quality images and smooth video, even in challenging lighting conditions. Canon's renowned color science ensures natural and vibrant color reproduction, a major plus for photographers looking to minimize post-editing time. With its versatile 4K capabilities and quality stills, the EOS R100 stands out in the mirrorless cameras category as a reliable, well-rounded option for anyone eager to step up their photography game. The Fujifilm X-H2S mirrorless camera body in black is a powerhouse designed for serious photographers and videographers looking to push the limits of their creativity. As part of Fujifilm's X series, it combines high-speed performance with an impressive 26.1 megapixel stacked BSI CMOS sensor. This sensor, coupled with Fujifilm's renowned color science, ensures that users can capture stunning detail and accurate color in any environment. The X-H2S's impressive burst shooting capability, up to 40 frames per second, makes it a top choice among mirrorless cameras for action, wildlife, and sports photography, allowing users to freeze fast-paced moments effortlessly. Customer satisfaction is highly rated for the Fujifilm X-H2S, especially due to its robust build and advanced video capabilities. This model supports 6.2K video recording and features in-body image stabilization, which is essential for capturing steady footage in handheld shooting scenarios. The intuitive control layout and customizable dials provide a highly adaptable shooting experience, accommodating both beginners and experienced photographers. With the X-H2S, Fujifilm has delivered a mirrorless camera that balances innovation and ease of use, making it a go-to choice for anyone looking to invest in a high-performance camera in the mirrorless cameras category. The Sony Alpha ZV-E10 APS-C mirrorless vlog camera kit is tailored for content creators and vloggers, offering a compact yet powerful setup for producing professional quality videos. With a 24.2 megapixel APS-C sensor and Sony's excellent color science, the ZV-E10 captures sharp, vibrant images and stunning 4K video. Designed with a versatile interchangeable lens system, This camera kit allows you to explore a wide variety of shooting styles, making it an ideal choice among mirrorless cameras for vloggers who want creative flexibility. Features like real-time eye autofocus and background defocus make it easy to achieve professional-looking footage, whether you're filming yourself or capturing details in the environment. For customer satisfaction, the ZV-E10 includes key enhancements that make it particularly user-friendly. Its built-in directional microphone captures clear audio, and a convenient flip-out touchscreen simplifies shooting from various angles, so creators can easily frame shots while in front of the camera. Additionally, its lightweight, ergonomic design is perfect for extended shooting sessions, ensuring comfort while you vlog on the go. The ZV-E10 also supports live streaming, allowing users to broadcast high-quality video directly to their audience. Overall, Sony has developed a feature-rich, easy-to-use camera in the mirrorless cameras category that meets the needs of both beginner and advanced vloggers. The Nikon Z-FC is a stylish yet powerful mirrorless camera that combines retro aesthetics with advanced modern features, making it a standout in the mirrorless cameras category. This compact, lightweight camera is designed for photographers who value both performance and style. It includes a 16 to 50 mm wide-angle zoom lens that offers excellent versatility for everyday shooting, from landscapes to portraits. With its 20.9 megapixel APS-C sensor, the Z-FC captures vivid colors and sharp details, ensuring high-quality stills and 4K UHD video. The vintage design is inspired by Nikon's classic film cameras, adding an iconic look that appeals to those who love timeless aesthetics. In terms of customer satisfaction, the Nikon Z-FC offers ease of use and customization, making it suitable for both beginners and experienced photographers. The flip-out vari-angle touchscreen allows for easy framing, especially helpful for vlogging or creative angles. The camera's intuitive dial-based controls give users a hands-on approach to adjusting settings quickly, enhancing the shooting experience. With features like eye detection autofocus and in-camera creative filters, the Z-FC is versatile and accessible for different types of photography. It's a well-rounded option that pairs Nikon's dependable quality with a nostalgic touch, appealing to anyone interested in mirrorless cameras that bring both function and flair to their photography.